여러분 안녕하세요. Welcome to William's Korean class. In today's lesson, we'll be exploring the grammar pattern 아보다 and 어보다. These patterns express experiences. Repeat after me. 아보다, 어보다. Let's learn more about its meaning and usage. If the stem ends in a or o vowel, we add 아보다. Otherwise, we add 어보다. However, if the stem ends in 하다, we add 해보다. Let's take a look at the verb 가다, which means to go, and it ends in the vowel a. In this case, we add 아보다 to the stem, creating 가보다. However, when we want to express past experiences, we add a polite past tense ending 왔어요. Therefore, the complete conjugation becomes 가봤어요. Repeat after me. 가봤어요. 가봤어요 means have been to somewhere. Let's practice again. 가다. 가봤어요. One more time. 가다. 가봤어요. Although the conjugation process may seem complicated, you don't need to remember all the details. Just remember that 가다 becomes 가봤어요 to express experiences. For example, you've been to Busan, so you can say 저는 부산에 가봤어요. One more time. 저는 부산에 가봤어요. In this way, you can use 아보다 to express your experiences. Let's practice 아보다 with a few more examples. Take a look at these verbs. 가다 means to go. 사다 means to buy. 오다 to come. 만나다 to meet. Since all of these verbs have stems that end in the vowels a or o, we add 봤어요. So, 가다 becomes 가봤어요. Repeat after me. 가다. 가봤어요. One more time. 가다. 가봤어요. 가다 means to go. 가봤어요 means I have been to somewhere. What about 사다? Okay. 사봤어요. One more time. 사다. 사봤어요. That means I have bought something. 오다. 와봤어요. One more time. 오다. 와봤어요. That means I have come this place. Repeat after me. 만나다. 만나봤어요. One more time. 만나다. 만나봤어요. Now let's learn how to use 어보다. We use this pattern when the verb stem ends in the vowel other than a or o. For example, let's take the verb 먹다, which means to eat. The verb stem is 먹, and it ends with a consonant g, not the vowels a or o. So we add 어보다 after the stem to create 먹어보다. Repeat after me. 먹어보다 for the present form. If you want to talk about a past experience, we need to add the past tense ending 왔어요. So the final conjugation is 먹어봤어요. Repeat after me. 먹어봤어요. That means I've tried eating something or I have eaten something. For example, if you want to say you've tried eating bibimbap, you can say 저는 비빔밥을 먹어봤어요. One more time. 저는 비빔밥을 먹어봤어요. In this way, you can use 어보다 to express your experiences. Let's practice using 어보다 with a few more examples. Let's look at these verbs. 먹다, which means to eat. 입다, to wear. 만들다, to make. Since the stems of these verbs do not end in the vowels a or o, we add 봤어요 to express past experiences. So 먹다 becomes 먹어봤어요 to express past experience. 먹다, 먹어봤어요. 먹다 means to eat, but 먹어봤어요 means I have eaten something or I have tried eating something. What about 입다? I have worn something. Repeat after me. 입어봤어요. One more time. 입어봤어요. So 입다 becomes 입어봤어요. That means I have worn something or I have tried wearing something. 만들다, to make. What is the conjugation? 만들어 봤어요. Repeat after me. 만들어 봤어요. One more time. 만들어 봤어요. That means I have made something or I have tried making something. Now let's learn how to use 해보다. We add 해보다 when the stem ends in 하다. For example, let's look at the verb 노래하다, which means to sing. Since the verb ends with 하다, we add 해보다, creating 노래해보다. However, 노래해보다 is the present form, and we want to express our past experiences. So we add as어요 for past tense. The final conjugation is 노래해봤어요, which means I've sung. Repeat after me. 노래하다, 노래해봤어요. One more time. 노래하다, 노래해봤어요. Here is the example. You want to say you've sung at karaoke or you've tried to sing at karaoke. So you can say, repeat after me. 저는 노래방에서 노래해봤어요. One more time. 저는 노래방에서 노래해봤어요. That means I've sung at the karaoke. In this way, you can use 해보다 to express your experiences. Now let's practice using 해보다 with a few more examples. Take a look at these verbs. 노래하다, which means to sing. 수영하다, to swim. 예약하다, to book. Since all of these verbs end in 하다, we add 해봤어요. Repeat after me. 노래하다, 노래해봤어요. One more time. 노래하다, 노래해봤어요. 수영하다, 수영해봤어요. One more time. 수영하다, 수영해봤어요. 예약하다. What is the conjugation? 예약해봤어요. One more time. 예약하다, 예약해봤어요. Now let's practice using 아보다 and 어보다 in the dialogue together. I'll read each sentence twice and you can repeat after me. 제주도에 가봤어요? 아니요, 안 가봤어요. One more time. 제주도에 가봤어요? 아니요, 안 가봤어요. 제주도 means 제주도에. We put 에 after the place noun. 제주도 is a place noun, so we add 에 after 제주도. 가봤어요. 가다 is the base form. 가봤어요 express experience. So 가봤어요 means I've been to. But this is question form. So 제주도에 가봤어요 means have you been to 제주도? 아니요, 안 가봤어요. 아니요 means no. 안 means negative. 가봤어요 experience. So 안 가봤어요 that means I've never been to 제주도 yet. Okay? Please remember 안 means negative something. Another example. 비빔밥을 먹어봤어요? 네, 먹어봤어요. Let's read one more time. 비빔밥을 먹어봤어요? 네, 먹어봤어요. 비빔밥, Korean dish. 을, we put 을 after the object. So 을 is the object particle. 비빔밥 is the object of this sentence. So we add 을 after object. 먹어봤어요. 먹다 is the base form. 먹어봤어요 shows experience. 먹어봤어요 that means I've eaten. I have tried eating something. In this case, it's a question form. So 먹어봤어요 that means have you eaten or have you tried eating 비빔밥. So 비빔밥을 먹어봤어요. This sentence means have you eaten bibimbap or have you tried eating bibimbap? 네, 먹어봤어요. 네, yes. 먹어봤어요. That means yes, I have tried eating bibimbap or yes, I have eaten. Another example. Repeat after me. 사람들 앞에서 노래해 봤어요. Let's read this sentence one more time. 사람들 앞에서 노래해 봤어요? 네, 친구 결혼식에서 노래해 봤어요. One more time. 네, 친구 결혼식에서 노래해 봤어요. 사람들 means people, up front, 에서. We add 에서 after a noun to express an action happened at that location. 노래해 봤어요. 노래하다 is the base form. 해봤어요 is added to express experience. So 사람들 앞에서 노래해 봤어요. That means have you sung in front of people? 네, 친구 결혼식에서. Yes. 친구, my friend, 결혼식, wedding, 에서. Also the same. We add 에서 after a noun to express an action happened at that location. So, I've sung at my friend's wedding. So that's why we add 에서 after the wedding. 노래해 봤어요. That means I've sung. Thank you all for joining me in today's lesson. In this video, we learned how to use 아보다, 어보다, and 해보다. I hope you found this video helpful for your studying EPS topic. If you enjoyed this video, I kindly ask you to support my channel by subscribing, liking the video, and enabling notifications to stay updated on future lessons. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you once again for your active participation, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. 감사합니다.